There is concern, about regulation and compliance. Laws have never been an issue. Rules have never been for Nigeria. It's always about implementation. So I ask, Prof, are these guidelines tight enough to ensure that both medical professionals, donors, practitioners of all shades, are they tight enough to ensure compliance on all fronts?
Yeah, thank you very much. I think one good thing with this guideline is that the professionals in the field, that is the stakeholders, are involved in the generation of the guidelines. It is what they believed in and what they themselves put in place to guide their practice. Therefore, this ownership of the guideline will encourage compliance. Secondly, the committee chaired by Dr. Biodun did a very good work in sensitization. You just heard from him that they had meeting with all stakeholders in the security sector and other relevant organs of government that are responsible for implementing and guiding the implementation of these guidelines. So these are some of the things that make the guideline unique. One, the ownership by the stakeholders themselves. They feel that this thing belongs to them. Hear what Dr. Otabo said. When he read the guideline, it's just some 90-something% of what is in his office. And he was not there when we developed the guideline. I was lucky I was a member of the team, but we spoke the mind of professionals in the field. Therefore, this will encourage compliance. Secondly, the involvement of the security agencies and other arms of government that are relevant in this area will help in protecting the implementation of the guidelines. So these are factors that will encourage the implementation of the guidelines. So there is hope for this. It's our prayer that it won't be like any other previous attempts at regulating things in Nigeria, where it's in the book, but it's not in the practice. So this is my take on that.